She apparently did not think so. Netizens and Filipinos in general seem to have quite a soft spot para kay Veloso, saying na she is a victim of circumstance at ito ay dapat nating tutukan at i-push ang kanyang pagkakalaya laban sa banta ng eksekusyon sa ibang bansa. Pero I could feel the mood shift lalo na at ang nanalo ay isang hardline anti-crime populist president. The Filipinos are becoming more and more open to the idea of the death penalty. Kahit na once again, which may be one of the reasons bakit na-delay yung pag-uwi mismo ni Veloso dahil hindi nga kinausap ni Duterte. Because as he said, and quite frankly, tama lang na sinabi niya, na we will not interfere with your own laws. Ginawa niya 'yan sa bansa mo, 'di ba? And the thing is, the prosecution ay hindi targeted. Equal ang lahat. Talagang malakas at katulad ni Duterte, galit sa droga ang Indonesia. Kasi it would be kind of hypocritical for us to save our convict na drug courier from execution sa ibang bansa, samantalang sineselebrate dito sa bansa yung mga extrajudicial killings regarding drug suspects. Yung mga sinasabing nagpe-purvey at nagbebenta ng illegal na droga. Not to mention na marami tayong mga Indonesian, Malaysian, and other nationalities na nahuli dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit si Veloso, Papa, kawalan mo?
I said, Mr. President,